Hello, my name is Tora Tokeniva 7. I'm going to open this box. And whatever I find in here will star in my next video. Yeah. So let's get this open. Yeah, be careful. Be careful. Gotta be careful. Okay. The seal has been cut. I have no idea what's in here. Alright? This is the first. Getting closer. Coming out. Ooh, it's coming out. Now, it's getting exciting, isn't it? I got this one little bit of cardboard left. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. It's upside down. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! It's Nyanas! It's Nyanas! From VShojo! Should I open her up? Open her up! Open her up! Yeah, open her! Open her up! Open! 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 Okay, I'll open it now. Unleash! Unleash hell! The seal has been broken. Hang on, there's 2 more seals. Hang on. One there. One there. And one there. Okay. Getting closer. You can see that, right? Now let's unleash her from her bonds. Sorry, Frankie. Isn't she cute? Where's her stand? Right, there it is. Let me get this stuff out of the way. I'm just here. I'm here still. Is Gura, I think. Nyanas! There she is! Hello, Nyanas! Meow! Let's get all this plastic stuff off here. It'll take it apart to get all this plastic stuff off here. That stuff. Yeah. Lego to the rescue. That stuff. There she is in all her. There she is in all her alien glory. That's what she looks like on the back. There's the front. See? The thing won't go in. Arm fell off. Oh no! Oh, there she is. Here, you hold this. Yeah. Okay. Let's try and put this on. You need to remove your head. Sorry, Ninas. Go. Head back on. There we go. Oh, good. Now, Goro. This is Goro. Goes in there like that. And that's Goro. Yeah. Anyway, let's see what else she's got. She's got a normal face. A happy face, got this cutie face, and the hot eyes. Yeah. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. I will do another one when Nendoroid Iron Mouse is available. Yeah. So, please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss an episode. My name is Tortuckaniver7. That is Natasha Nyanas. That is Chelsea. This is Frankie. This is Rick. And that is Claus. I'm Tortuckaniver7. Farewell.